free video editing software is a great way to get started with creating videos for YouTube or some other purpose without breaking the bank, some of which are quite easy to use with basic features, while others have more advanced features to help you produce high-quality videos. In this top 5, I'll count down the absolute best free video editing software for Windows, Linux, and Mac, all of which have no time limits or forced watermarks. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown, coming in at number 5 is OpenShot. This free and open source video editor is fantastic for beginners. It has an easy to use drag and drop interface with a lower learning curve than most of the others coming up in this video. It's feature packed. Some of those features include the ability to add transitions, along with audio and video effects to enhance your creation. There's also no limit to the number of layers you can have with resolutions up to 4K. And best of all, this is completely free with no upcharges to access additional features. Their layout is designed very well that clips to your videos. Select project files. Go find the clips on your computer that you'd like to add and drag and drop them into the box. Click those files and drag them onto the timeline. To add a transition between two clips, select the Transitions tab. There's many to choose from. Left-click a transition and drag it down to the timeline. To increase or decrease the transition, go to either side, look for the double arrows, then left-click and drag it to the desired line. Let's click and drop it onto the end of the first clip. Then take that second clip and drag it over the transition. Let's see how that looks. One downside to OpenShot is that computers with low system specs may experience lag and other issues. But if your computer can handle it, it's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And at number 4 is HitFilm Express. This powerful free editor is for those of you wanting to step up your game with advanced tools and features to create professional quality projects. But resolution support up to 4K. Included for free are more than 400 effects and presets, advanced cutting tools, and filters for both audio and video. When exporting your project, most of the popular file formats are supported. You also get motion tracking and animation tools can make your project stand out. Over time, if you ever outgrow the free features and needed additional tools, they now have more than 30 add-on packs available to expand the functionality, starting at around $10 upwards to around $50 per pass. An annoyance with HitFilm Express, which I've mentioned in prior videos, is that they make it cumbersome to download and install it. Also, of all those mentioned in our top 5, it's the only one that requires you to have an account to use it. If you choose to download and install it, click Download for free. This will take you to a Pay What You Want page that gives you more features based on what you're willing to pay. If you just want to try out the base version for free, through the slider all the way to the left and click Download. Now you have to fill out this form with a valid email address. And then when that's done, click on Send Me the Express Download. After doing this, check your email to download and install it. Instead of going through this process, they should just let you download it immediately. Can use the base version for free, and should only require you to create an account later on if you ever decide to purchase add-on packs. On the positive side, HitFilm Express is a really good program. If you decide to install it, they do have excellent support and more than 100 video tutorials for free that will teach you how to use it. Before installing, make sure that your computer meets or exceeds the minimum requirements. HitFilm Express is only available for Windows and Mac OS and is the only video editor in our top 5 not available for Linux. Jumping into our top 5 for the first time ever, Paid in Live comes in at number 3. This free and open source program, long associated with Linux, is out of beta and now available for both Windows and Mac. A special thanks to those of you that suggested we try it again. It's improved quite a bit. All features are included for free. It supports multi-track editing and just about any audio or video format you throw at it. The interface can be customized to just about any configuration you want. Dozens of effects and transitions are also included, and themes can also be changed to one of the various light and dark themes built in. Floating clips into your project is simple. That the project been selected, drag and drop them into the box and drag and drop them down to the timeline. If you'd like to change the color theme for the interface, go to Settings here at the top, Color Theme, and select your theme. There is a slight learning curve, so prior to using it, I'd recommend that you check out their user manual, beginning with the introduction followed by their quick start guide. As I mentioned earlier, Kdenlive, which has been a go-to video editor for Linux users for many years, is now available for Windows, Mac, and iOS. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video helped you to find a free video editor that meets your needs, give it a thumbs up and share with others. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest top 5s and other tech-related stuff here on NafiTech.